Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to promote a CPA offer with 100% free traffic, and this method I want to show you today works with any CPA offer. So you can go out there to any CPA network to look for an offer to promote. The CPA offer I want to use for this method today was the CPA offer I used in my previous video, which is the offer from Lemon Arts network. So after this video you can go out there to look for any CPA offer to promote with this same method. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's head over to lemonarts.com. So when I type in lemonarts.com, and I'm getting to this page here, this interface here. In my previous video I showed you how to sign up on this network. Okay, so if you didn't know how to sign up on this network, just watch my previous video so that I'll be able to sign up on this network. So as for me, I've already signed up, so all I have to do is just to sign in, and I'll wait for this to pop up. So this is the page. Okay, this is the interface. All these are offers. Okay, all these are offers. So I don't want to waste much time on this page here. Okay, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So all I have to do is just to copy the link I've applied for. Okay, so I'll copy the hop link of this sweepstake offer, then we'll go out there to promote the offer. So to do that, I've already copied the link, then I'll paste the link somewhere in my notepad, which is this. Okay, so the next thing to do is that to create a simple landing page for this offer. So we want to go out there to create a free landing page with Google site. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create the simple landing page. I have just type in the site.google.com, and to pop up this free templates here. All these are free templates, so you have to choose one. Okay, then you model it in your own way. Okay, so to choose one, I'll choose this restaurant. So I'll choose this restaurant template here. Okay, now wait for it to load up. So this is the template. So all I have to do is just to change this, okay, to the offer I want to promote. So to do this, I want to delete all this because I don't need all this. I don't need this. I don't need this section. So we don't need this also. We don't need this. We don't need this. So I have to delete all this. Okay, so delete this. Delete this. And we hide this. Okay. And we'll change this to free gift card. Free gift card. Okay. Then you choose a layout. When you choose this layout here, so we add an image. Select an image. Okay. Search by Google, and you type in Amazon gift card. Amazon gift card. And you choose any of Amazon gift card, and I'll choose this. Let's go for this, and you insert. It's just a simple landing page. Okay, it won't take much time to create this landing page, so it won't take you much time to create this landing page. Okay, so just type in free Amazon gift card, and you head to the next section here, which is claim your free gift card below. Okay, then in this section here, we want to add an image, which is arrow. Okay, arrow down image. Okay, just select. Okay, sorry, we want to select upload, and you choose arrow down. Okay, I already have it in my PC. Choose arrow down. Just, you can download this from Google and remove the background. Okay, through remove.bg. Okay, just, and I'll drag it somewhere here. Okay, and I'll add my button. You scroll down, then you add the button, and you get access. Okay, access now, and you add the exclamation. Okay, and you add your link. you copy, add your link, you paste in your hop link, then you insert, then you drag this. Okay, so you drag this. I think this is okay for us, and you make this a little bit bolder and bigger. Okay, so anyone that comes to this landing page, this arrow will show them this button, then they'll be able to hit the button and go straight to your offer, then you make some money. Okay, so you should remove all this. We didn't need all this all these pages here. Okay, so you remove this contacts, remove this, remove this. You should remove this also. Okay, so we want it to be simple, so simple. Okay, so I think this is okay for us. Then you change the theme. You should change the theme to red so that it will look more congruent. It should be red. Okay, and you publish. So you should make it, our URL should be free gift card, free gift card 01. Okay, and you publish. So you are done. You can preview the landing page to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the landing page. So it's so simple. Okay, so simple. This is the landing page, a simple landing page. So let's go back and you copy your link. So you copy the link, and go straight to Bitly so that I'll be able to track your link. So I want to shrink it on Bitly. Okay, so just type in Bitly and you wait for it to load up. And you hit the create button, then you paste in the URL. Okay, you paste in the URL, then you copy the shrink link. Okay, so we are done with this. So the next thing to do is I'll go out there to look for traffic. So we want to send traffic to the link we created. Okay, we want to send traffic to this landing page here. So to send traffic to this landing page, I want to show you a website. Okay, so the website I want to show you is giphy.com. Okay, giphy.com. So this is the website giphy.com, and if you check through this website and see the monthly visits, let's wait for this to show us the monthly visits. So if you check the monthly visit of this website here, this website got 57.50 million visits per month. Okay, which is huge. Okay, so all we have to do is just to type into this people here, this 57.50 million, send the portion of them to our landing page. So with that, we'll be able to make some money through them. Okay, so to use this website to send traffic to our landing page, what we'll have to do is just I've already signed up and I'm already in my account. Okay, so for you to get into this page, you have to sign up. Okay, so after signing up, you click on this upload. Okay, you click on this upload and you wait for it to pop up. So if you click on this, or if you click on upload, it will bring you to this page here. Okay, so the next thing to do is that you want to add your GIF image. Okay, so you can add your GIF image here. Like just hit this, then I've already got a GIF image which I downloaded from Google. Okay, so if I type in a free gift card, okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the GIF image which I downloaded from Google. Okay, so I will show you how to get them from Google. So this is the GIF I downloaded from Google. Okay, so the next thing to do is that you want to add some tags. Okay, so to add tags to this, you want to think of any tags relating to your offer. So you can use this method to promote any offer, not only CPA. You can use it to promote ClickBank offer, any offer. Okay, so you can use this method to promote any offer. Okay, so all you have to do is just think of any tags relating to your offer. Okay, so the tag relating to this offer, I think is a giveaway. Just type in giveaway, and you comma gift card, comma, and free gift card, free gift card, free gift card, a comma, and Amazon gift card, Amazon gift card. comma. I think we are done with the tags. Okay, so we'll add the source URL. So your source URL is the landing page URL which we copied from bit.ly. Okay, which we copied from bit.ly. So to add your source URL, just paste in the URL here. Just paste in the URL, then you upload the gif. So you wait for it to upload. So we are good to go. So it has been uploaded. So these are gif image, okay, the one we uploaded. Okay, so if anyone comes to your page and see this, they'll be able to read this message, which is complete our survey to receive an Amazon gift card, and it will show them to get started now by clicking here. And if they click here, it will automatically takes them to the landing page. Okay, and if they also click on this your link, it will take them to your landing page, okay, which is this. And if they click on get to this landing page and click this, it will take them to your offer. Okay, then they'll be able to fill the form and I'll be able to make some money with that. Okay, so I think that's all for now. So if you have any question relating to this method, just drop your comment below, then I'll be able to answer the question within 24 hours. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.